Hey guys, Mr. CreeperCraft48 here, and welcome to another video. And today we will be playing Subway Surfers. So yeah, I haven't played this game in a long time, so we're gonna play it. I know, guys, I said I was gonna do the destroy a phone thing, but I was doing like I got sidetracked because it's like a Sunday, so I guess we'll just post it tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome though. It's gonna be worth the wait. Let's do this. We got Subway Surfers. Yeah, we're surfing the subway. Subway Surfers. Yeah, we're surfing the subway. Playing and playing. Oh yeah, we jumped 20 times. Oh, I'm a beginner at this game. I mean, not at the actual game, but like on my phone, on this phone. I just downloaded it because I had it on my old phone. So that yeah. Let's do this. I did it. Jump. Oh, jump. Jumped again. Let's see. Let's use the surfboard. Ooh, yeah, using the surfboard. I'm surfing the streets, going everywhere. Surfing with my skateboard, or hoverboard. Yeah, hoverboard time. Yeah, I'm on the hoverboard. This is a cool hoverboard. We're doing it. This is okay. This is gonna be my highest run. That's just there goes R because whoa, okay, yeah, that confused me. Crap. Let's do it again. Let's be awesome on our skateboard. Yeah. Let's get on the skateboard. Yeah. Oh, I want to do flip. Oh, wait. Oh yeah. We're doing it. We're gonna try to get enough money for a next character, which would be cool. Yes. Let's go. Run, Forest. This is actually based on Temple Run. So if you guys wanted me to play Temple Run, I'll play it if you guys want me to, because I can just download it. They should come out with the Temple Run 3. Also, I'm gonna play Mario Run when it comes out, which will be cool. Yeah, so I just got Pokemon Alpha Sapphire. So it was funny. I was all ready to play. I'm like, yes, so I'm gonna play my first Pokemon game. Well, besides Pokemon Red. But so yeah, I was like, yay! And then right when I get in, it's like, you need an SD card. I'm just like, bruh. So apparently you need an SD card for a 3DS. I didn't know that because I didn't really use my 3DS that much. I only really use my DS, which does not need a SD card. So I was like, so I'm like, oh my gosh, seriously, jerk. So I'm probably gonna record me playing Alpha Sapphire. Woohoo! Let's go. Yeah. And the Destroy a Phone video, that was awesome. It's like the coolest one yet. Yeah, so my gosh, we're doing this. Also, I'm going to do Pokemon Uranium. Oh yeah, guys, you should check out my friend Shockout 2000. I just died. He just made his new channel, and yeah, he'll be in one of my comments on my Mario video, so you can just subscribe to him if you want. Okay. I forgot that you did ads. This is a long ad. I'm not gonna do that again. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You can get that game if you want. 2, 1. Hey, I got 2. Okay, this is our last run. So, yeah, I'm gonna get something called a capture card. And then I can play Donkey Kong 3DS and Pokemon Alpha Sapphire and Fossil Hunters DS and Batman Lego. I can say one more. And, oh my gosh, Spectrobes. I love that game. I played it when I was a kid. Like, in, like 6 years ago. It was old then. Oh, that was our last run. Well, I didn't really count that. This will be our last run. If it's good. Let's make this good. Oh, let's get that crate. Yes. Yes. Do 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 dun 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 dun. Oops. Yeah, we're doing it. Yes. Yeah, yes. Okay, yep. We did it. Let's make this our high score. Let's make this our high score. Come on. Oh, crap. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe. What are we gonna get? Skateboard rounded off. Bye, guys.